Did Google just remove one of the most recognizable design elements from its mid-range Pixel lineup? A new leak suggests that the upcoming Pixel 9a might ditch a key design feature, and this information comes straight from Google's official cases. Over the past few months, we've seen multiple leaks about the Pixel 9a covering everything from its specifications and wallpapers to its internal components. Now, a fresh leak focusing on the official Google cases has surfaced, giving us an even clearer picture of what to expect from the phone's design. What's surprising is that these cases seem to confirm a significant change, the removal of the raised camera area. If we compare it to the standard Pixel 9, we can see a clear difference. The Pixel 9 features a raised frame around the camera module, making it stand out as part of Google's signature Pixel design language. However, the Pixel 9a appears to be ditching this element entirely, resulting in a much flatter camera setup. This design shift is reflected in the official cases, which do not have a raised border around the camera cutout. If these leaks are accurate, it could mean that Google is moving away from the camera bar design for its mid-range models, possibly setting the stage for future design changes in the flagship lineup as well. Aside from this major design shift, the cases themselves are quite similar to previous official Google cases. They are made with soft silicone on the outside, which ensures a comfortable grip, while also providing some level of protection against minor bumps and scratches. On the inside, the cases feature a microfiber lining, a soft material designed to prevent scratches and keep the phone's surface looking clean. As expected, Google has kept its branding subtle, with the word Pixel discreetly placed inside the case and the recognizable Google G logo on the back. In terms of color options, the cases are expected to match the Pixel 9a's color lineup. Current leaks suggest 4 main color variants: peony, obsidian, iris, and porcelain. While Google has not officially confirmed these names, they seem to represent different shades of pink, black, purple, and white. These options follow Google's usual approach of offering simple yet stylish color choices that appeal to a wide range of users. Looking at Google's pricing history, the official cases for the Pixel 8 that were sold for approximately $30 United States on Google's website. Since Google tends to keep accessory prices consistent across generations, it's reasonable to expect that the Pixel 9a cases will be priced similarly. Of course, this is still speculation until Google officially announces the details. As for the phone itself, the latest rumors suggest that the Pixel 9a could be officially unveiled in March, with pre-orders potentially starting around March 19th. If this timeline is accurate, we're only a few weeks away from getting full confirmation on these leaks. One thing that remains to be seen is how Pixel fans will react to the removal of the raised camera frame. For many users, the distinct camera bar has been an iconic design choice, setting the Pixel lineup apart from other smartphones. If Google is phasing out this feature on its mid-range models, could it also mean bigger design changes are coming for the flagship Pixel devices in the near future? That's something we'll have to wait and see. What are your thoughts on this potential design shift? Do you prefer the flatter camera look, or do you think Google should keep the raised camera bar on all Pixel models? Let us know in the comments. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates.
Samsung is making waves again, and this time it's for the brand new addition to the Galaxy S25 series. The long-rumored slim variant has finally been teased, and it is officially named the Galaxy S25 Edge. While many expected it to carry the slim branding, the Edge name brings back memories of Samsung's earlier curved display devices. Now, fresh leaks have surfaced, giving a much clearer idea of what this phone will bring to the table. From an ultra-thin design to flagship-level specifications, the Galaxy S25 Edge could be a game-changer for those who want premium performance in a sleeker form. One of the standout features of this phone is its impressive display. It is expected to feature an LTPO panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, making interactions smooth and responsive. The peak brightness of 2,600 nits ensures excellent visibility, even under bright sunlight. Additionally, the screen will be protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, offering improved scratch and drop resistance. Another major highlight is the slim bezels, measuring just 1.32 millimeters, making them even thinner than those on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This not only enhances the viewing experience, but also reinforces the premium feel of the device. Samsung is not holding back when it comes to camera technology. The Galaxy S25 Edge is rumored to feature a 200-megapixel primary sensor, delivering sharp and detailed photos with enhanced low-light performance. On the front, there will be a 12-megapixel camera for high-quality selfies and video calls. With Samsung's advanced image processing, users can expect impressive photography capabilities similar to what the Ultra model offers. Build quality is another area where Samsung is focusing its efforts. The phone is said to feature an armor aluminum frame, which balances durability and lightweight construction. Despite its slim profile, it maintains a solid feel in the hand. ensuring that users do not have to compromise on build strength. The device will also support Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and Universal Flash Storage 4.0 for faster read and write speeds. In addition, the inclusion of a USB Type-C 3.2 port allows for quicker data transfers, making the phone more efficient for everyday use. Performance-wise, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. While Samsung has been working on improving its own Exynos processors, reports suggest that the Exynos lineup will not make a return until the Galaxy S26 series. This means the entire Galaxy S25 series, including the Edge model, will likely feature Qualcomm's latest and most powerful processor. Combined with 12 GB of random access memory, this phone should deliver excellent multitasking and gaming performance without breaking a sweat. Battery life is always a crucial factor, and while a thinner design often means a smaller battery, the efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Elite should help optimize power consumption. However, the charging speed remains at 25 watts, similar to the standard Galaxy S25 model. While some competitors are pushing faster charging speeds, Samsung appears to be prioritizing battery health and longevity over ultra-fast charging. Samsung recently launched the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and as expected, it's one of the most impressive flagship phones we've seen this year. Packed with new AI features and software enhancements, the S25 Ultra is set to uphold the legacy of its predecessors. However, there is one key concern that might affect my final judgment. Let's dive into the details. Before we go further, here's a quick reminder. Pre-orders for the S25 series are closing soon, and if you've been considering getting one, now might be the best time. Samsung is offering up to $900 in trade-in credit, $350 for free storage upgrades, and even a free pair of Buds 3 Pro. Check the links below for more information. The first noticeable change in design this year is the shift to rounded corners, aligning the S25 Ultra with the standard Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus models. While this makes sense from a design perspective, I do miss the sharp corners that were reminiscent of the Galaxy Note series. The black camera rings give the phone a professional look, but only the 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor differs from the Galaxy S24 Ultra setup. One feature that stands out is the new Brief, a widget that consolidates information from various apps into one easily accessible panel. It appears on the home screen by default, but can also be found in the Edge panel or on the lock screen when there's an update. Even in its current form, it's useful to have quick access to weather updates and daily events, and I'm excited to see it evolve to suggest automated routines or highlight saved tickets and coupons. Samsung continues to lead in display technology with the S25 Ultra. Early tests show that the 6.9-inch screen is significantly brighter than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The larger display area, coupled with slimmer bezels, makes content look even better. Samsung has also optimized lower resolution content with its Propel system. The anti-glare coating improves visibility under bright lights, which is something I wish more phones would have. On the software side, Samsung has launched its latest version of One UI alongside the Galaxy S25 series. Unlike Apple's iPhone 16, which introduced its intelligence features a little later, all of Samsung's new features are available from day one, meaning users get to enjoy the full experience immediately. One UI 7 brings a fresh design that takes inspiration from iOS but retains Samsung's distinct aesthetic. Another major plus for the S25 Ultra is that Samsung continues to include the S Pen with the Ultra model. While some features have been removed, such as air actions for the S24 Ultra, I don't miss them. As long as the stylus remains part of the Ultra series and stays housed within the phone, I'm satisfied. However, there have been reports of some frustrating screen issues. A Reddit user shared that their device had thin horizontal lines on the screen, especially when waking it up. After following Samsung's advice and testing the device in safe mode and performing a factory reset, the issue didn't go away, hinting at a hardware defect. Another user reported vertical lines in the camera viewfinder when zooming, which looks more like a software issue. These types of issues raise concerns about Samsung's quality control. If early buyers are getting defective units, it could negatively impact sales. It's essential for Samsung to offer a fair return policy for hardware defects and set up a dedicated support system to resolve customer complaints. Now, when it comes to battery life, the results are surprising. One YouTuber tested the Galaxy S25 Ultra against competitors like the iPhone 16 Pro Max, Vivo X200 Pro, and Magic 7 Pro. The Galaxy S25 Ultra performed the worst, lasting only 10 hours and 58 minutes. The iPhone 16 Pro Max came out on top with 11 hours and 30 minutes. Another test focused on battery optimization. The Galaxy S25 Ultra held on to 1% more battery than the iPhone after extended use, and it charges faster too. Despite these results, The $1,300 price tag remains a tough pill to swallow, especially when you consider that competitors like the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Google Pixel 9 Pro XL are available for $100, $200 less. Overall, while Samsung has nailed many aspects of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the battery life and occasional display issues are areas to watch out for. However, with pre-orders closing soon and some excellent discounts, it's still an attractive choice for those who want the latest tech. What do you think about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.